Hello and welcome back, everyone. Devin with 605 Sports Cards here. Have a wild card illumination of the 2023 draft football. Only 6 cards in this. They are all autographs. Obviously unlicensed, but you do have a chance at pulling all the top players. Bryce Young, CJ Stroud, Richardson. So all the guys missing at a Panini. Being an unlicensed product, it is a little cheaper, just over $100 for this box. You're gonna get 3 auto packs. You're gonna get 1 or 2 premium auto packs numbered 25 to less, and a super premium numbered 5 or less. So, not being licensed, the value isn't as high on the cards. There are a lot of different autos. You're gonna get linemen, that kind of stuff as well. But they are good looking cards. And with things going with Panini, who knows where the cards are gonna end up in the next couple years. So it'd be nice to have a chance to pull a CJ Stroud or someone. These are all in case, I believe. So, well packaged. Shouldn't be a chance that anything really damaged here. So these first 3 should be our, I guess you call them kind of more the base autos. Don't know if there's a chance of them being numbered or not. We'll take a peek. And there's a look at the first Derek Parrish D-line. We'll have to look some of these up as they're not all known who they are, and it is numbered still out of 75. So nice looking cards, cool design. You know, I'm not gonna have any of the logos. Still very nice cards. And really, I mean, look at $25 an auto. Not the most expensive way to go. You know, one good card can easily pay for the box. And these guys have pretty good autos. Looks like they are still sticker. And Demario Douglas. Nice wide receiver. Different little color there. And that one's out of 50. Looks like it might be a green. So 40 out of 50. Demario Douglas. Very cool looking cards. All right, and should be our last one for more base level ones before we get down to lower numbered. Daywan Jones, offensive tackle. Very cool autographs. I like that. I haven't seen any of the just initials. And that one is out of 15. So 6 out of 15. For offensive tackle, it's like for Ohio State. So that one might be like, kind of like an Illinois or something on the previous one, but no quarterbacks yet. We got 3 packs left. Should be getting to our shorter print stuff. All right. And this should be 25 or less, I believe. And what do you know? Another Daywan Jones, kind of on a shimmer here. So Ohio State defensive tackle. 2 of 15. Hot pack for him. Not who you're looking for. Do have another box of these. I'll probably rip sometime later on. Just wanted to do one. Makes it a shorter video. Like I said, if you're looking for these, they're just over $100 or so. You can find them. It's fun to get short print autographs. Oh, and there we go. That is a awesome card right there. That is what you're looking for out of these. That you aren't gonna find with Panini. A CJ Stroud. Out of 50, unfortunately, but hey, CJ Stroud autograph, You aren't finding many of them out there obviously in Panini. See what happens with Fanatics, but an Ohio State box for sure with the tackles, and now CJ Stroud. Very nice card. We're going to go ahead and throw him up in the back. Our first CJ Stroud autograph. Let's see. This is your premium pack, the 1 per box. If you guys could do me a favor, it helps the channel a lot. Be sure to like and subscribe and grow the channel here. I don't know. I'm going to try to do some other sports here coming up. I know it's with the licensing going on and their products. I don't really know where to go with buying stuff all the time, and it really hurts. Their prices are still pretty high for not being able to, pull CJ Stroud and Bryce Young autographs, but their prices aren't really going down, and everyone's kind of jacked up their prices on the secondary market for a lot of that Panini stuff now that they don't have the licensing. So do me a favor, like the channel, subscribe, try to get some baseball going, and maybe some more WWE. They're fun to rip and cool cards. So appreciate you guys been watching. Let's get to this last super premium pack here. And it is Trenton Simpson on the site. Illumination. Inside linebacker. And that is 1 of 4. So cool looking card. Trenton Simpson. Obviously they're all guaranteed autographs. Very cool card. So really, I mean, for 125 bucks, hopefully that one kind of pays for it. That's also a good card. I'll try to look them up, and trying to work on my editing skills here, and put maybe some comps up, or at least where everyone's from. Like, these aren't gonna. So obviously we have our Ohio State doubled up on him. One's just a little short. Oh, they're the exact same card. 2 and 6 out of 15. Gonna quarter the market for any Day One Jones fans. Kind of stinks to get them both in the same box, but hey, we got CJ Stroud along with him, Demario Douglas, and Derek Parrish. It's a lot of linemen, 1 receiver, linebacker, and we hit 1 of the main quarterbacks. So probably our top pull. Would have been great to have him in that site short print, but very cool. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. I will have another box of these coming up probably the next few weeks, and as well as some other products. So thanks for watching. Good luck ripping out there, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.